Hello BeeBusinessBee fans, and yes, I'm back with another video. Now this video is all about the pink tax. Now the pink tax is something that I didn't really know anything about until a friend's daughter Abby mentioned it the other night about how women tend to pay more for the same products than what men pay. So for example, typically deodorant for example aimed at women would be a higher price than what it is for men. And I was thinking surely this can't exist in the modern world. We know now that obviously since we've left the European Union that women are no longer charged VAT on sanitary ware products. So we know that that's been abolished. But surely in the supermarket like this one here, you're not going to find female products more expensive than the equivalent for male products. But I thought, you know what's better to do? Let's go undercover and find out whether it's totally true. So join me as we go undercover in this supermarket here. So the first point of call is I've stopped at this point where you've got shavers. Now apparently word has it that people say that male shaving products are actually cheaper than female shaving products. However, I'm finding here that that's not the case. So for example, they've got a body shaver for a woman down here, you probably see there, and it's £24. However, the equivalent product for a male here appears to be £30. So actually, there isn't a pink tax here, there's probably more a male tax on the product there. For some reason, the product is more expensive to men. So, we haven't found it with our first example. Let's see if we can find any more examples of this pink tax. It looks like I found my first example of the pink tax. Look here. This is interesting. This is Nivea lip balm, and the pink item is actually £2.30, where the blue item is £1.85. So maybe there is some truth that because it's got some pink on it, it's actually worth more money. Now, I've actually found another example of the pink tax, a really good one. This is male shaving foam, and it's actually £1 for a man. However, if you come with me over here, I found the equivalent female product, and it's actually £1.10. So this is a classic case of the pink tax. So you can see here, put it in a pink jar, and charge more money. So that means that women are paying 10 pence more for shaving gel. So maybe this is an example of the pink tax actually in action. So then, I've made it out alive for my BeeBusinessBee Undercover, and I've been looking at the pink tax. I think we found a few examples of the pink tax where maybe women are paying slightly more for similar items. However, we've also found examples where actually it doesn't seem to exist. So the razors, for example, the deodorant is all the same price, whether it's male or female. So maybe the pink tax no longer exists. Maybe the supermarkets like this one have actually started to get rid of the pink tax themselves by trying to level things out. Of course, maybe you have examples of the pink tax that I've not seen in here, or you've seen in other supermarkets. If you do, drop me a message in the comments down below or on my socials. Actually send it to me and we'll go undercover and we'll try and find examples of the pink tax. It certainly seems wrong if by your gender you are being discriminated against on the price that you pay. Of course, it may be just down to pure marketing. Maybe the colour pink actually costs more money. I don't know that. I'll go and try and find out that information for you. But thanks, Abby, for giving me this little investigation to go undercover and find out more about. Don't forget to give me a like, a subscribe and a follow. And you know what I'm going to say now. Until next time, keep buzzing.